Oh, I forgot, didn't I? Gloves and boots. Yeah, I was going to show you them JTS boots I got many years ago. These are size 14. All they are just Velcro fastening, but they're waterproof. The linings have gone now, but I do have another pair. I think they're upstairs. Yeah, so JTS, I recommend them. They're only £50 now for Manchester Bike Show years ago. Gloves, JTS again, these are marvellous. Armoured plastic and carbon fibre. Where's the label saying JTS? Up to size, I think it's 5XL. And when I got them they were £30, again from Manchester Bike Show, but on the website now they're about 45 to 50, but they're still good value because they last for years. I've had them over 10 years. I have another pair in that little cupboard. I've messed them up by putting them in the bloody washing machine and the linings go funny. Actually, the smelling problem I used to have hasn't been at all, I was going to say as bad, but I've had no trouble at all this year. I wonder how come. Maybe I've not been on long enough rides for my hands to get sweaty. These are just some cheap ones I saw. I haven't worn them for ages. Yeah, Cube, I think I saw them on eBay. Have they ripped inside? For some reason I stopped wearing them. I wear them for gardening. Cutting my roses back. Yeah, I should wear them if they ever get soaking wet. Maybe that's why they're there, I forgot. Back up pair. Probably is the case actually. As for the other stuff, we mentioned helmets. Old Shoei helmet there, my commuting helmet. And that's the Shoei helmet from when I'm my CB 1300 Super 4, red and black one. It's an old one, XR 800. Although it was 2005, 6 I think it was when I had my Super 4. Yeah, so loads of other stuff in here. Let's have a look. There's some more in there. These are good cupboards, aren't they? Argos, cheap as chips. I think they were £30 each. You fit a helmet in the hollow bit, plus your fluids. And all sorts of other stuff in the ones with doors on. Yeah, when I first moved in here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of them. After realising they fit bike stuff in. That's just a waterproof jacket. I bought them from Manchester, aren't they, for women? It's because I saw it and it matched my... I've got a bedspread like that, fluffy snow leopard. I'll give that to my mum, I think, to wear. I don't know why I bought it. Ah, more cube. You buy 2 pair of them, must have done. Oh, they feel bigger. Why are they in that cupboard? They'd be good for summer because what size is that? They feel massive. 5XL. Oh, they're 5XL. Ah, can you see? That's why they were cheap, cause, yeah, that's why I stopped wearing them. They leak, because the stuff has ripped. It's like a really thin layer of, meant to be suede, but it's probably just fake. So that's the thing to be aware of with cheap gloves, they'll just rip like hell. Although you could wear glove liners with them, with being so big. Is it Cube? Yeah, Cube, that's right, a budget brand. That's some more Cube I got. When I saw they were cheap, I thought, oh, I'll get a few of them. So I got some high vis ones, so they're smaller. It says 5XL, but a bit tight them. and they started to rip. I complained and they sent me another pair. And then they started to rip, so I'll give it up as a bad job. Can you see there on the stress points of the thumb? And there. I've worn them for a while, doing a few of my old videos. But I can't bear to throw stuff out if it's just slightly worn. That's the other JTS. Oh, they've got muddy. I'll also use them for cutting my roses as well. Oh, not seems too bad. They're the ones I tried to wash in the washing machine and all the lining went funny, and you have to put the fingers back to the tops with a sort of blunt stick. You know, because the fingers end up inside out. So there we are, a quandary. How do you clean and get your bike gloves fresh without sticking them in the bloody washing machine? That's when I had my Super 4, more red and black because I was colour coordinated. What make of them? They're all Tex. Yep. Oh, a Keto, yeah. A Keto. Mercury Plus. I think Aero Tex is a waterproof line. Hey, where's some others with the twin lining? That's them, JTS. That's just some cheapos. Is there an odd number of gloves? Oh no. Yeah, that's strange. Yeah, these are cheapos and the lining's gone in the thumb. I don't think they're even branded. What's that say? Oh, Hippora, that's that thermal thing, isn't it? Balaclava for winter. Honda bag. I forgot I had that. Oh, are them gloves in here? No, Honda neckerchief before I discovered buffs. Oh, in here. Because I got some from Philippe Yule's twin. Oh, there we are, I think. No, no, they're not. What's that? Oh, one of them things, thermal balaclava thing. That was off a subscriber. Was it Team Biker that sent me them? Ah, these are them. Twin lining. Oh yeah, I know what these are. These are them I got from the other Manchester bike show. Pakistani stole 10 quid. I couldn't believe it. And they're sort of knuckle protector, but they're a bit thin, so I thought they'd be ideal as summer gloves. And I thought, in case you get sweaty, I'll get another spare pair. They've been there for a while. I gave some to Ian when he came up and got soaked, and I've got another pair upstairs. I did him a swap because he sent me these. These are trophy gold top. But are they bike gloves or are they barbecue gloves? He said his barbecue got on fire or something, so he put them out with these. So, as far as kit goes, that's the gloves, the boots. I've got a wardrobe upstairs, like I said, with another 4 pair of boots in. Should I show you? As some are for sale. If anyone wants any boots, may as well. Yes, I've just whizzed them up here. Towels and dressing gown from me Sunday shower. What big lights on in here? What big lights on? Yes, thank you, Michael Mulligan again. Excellent. So I've got a wardrobe with at least 10, 12 jackets in. That's a big overcoats. Big thick leather overcoats. I've filmed these before because Alan Bolter said they're not police issue. I said the trophy gold top. Commando style, it says. You can get different soles. It's hide made in England. But GT8 stands for gold top. H, what's H stand for? That says size 13. But Alan was a police officer and he said no, they're not police issue. And so maybe they're for dispatch riders when they're sort of dressing up to put to a high shine. But they rub like hell on me because I'm a 14, 15. A Keto, wore them a couple of times, but they're a bit tight. I saw them in a sale. I know where I got them from, Blackpool Honda, when it was John Hall's Honda shop. In a sale of £50. I said, no, they're alright, I'll have them. But over long distances, you can't judge, can you, until you go a long distance and then you find out they hurt. More cheapos. Oh, it says Belstaff. But when I got them, they started coming apart there. I wasn't happy about. I suppose you could re-stitch them. So Belstaff boot size 12, 13-ish. Is that not working? Is it just not damp enough to work? Yeah, these are the motocross boots I got from Manchester Bike Show. From when I'm with Pegasaur. There's the other one. It wasn't a motocross bike, but I thought they'll sort of suit the style of it, so I got them. And the leather's so bloody thick, they're agony to wear. And they say 13, but they're more like an 11 or 12. They hurt me like hell, but look at the quality of them. Really good thick stuff. AGV Sport. I think I've worn them about 3 times. It's a mud there. Yeah, I remember the time I did wear them. There was Harami Aprilia. And it was during one of them muddy weekends. It weren't raining, but all the bloody mud was the side of the road, and the road was chocker, and a chap veered onto the mud to get past a queue of people and got stuck. I said, do you want a lift? So I got hold of his back end and jiggled it, and his wheel span. Now I got covered in mud, but I got him moving. Thanks very much. I said, yeah, but look at me. I had to go in the toilets at Rivington and wash all the bloody mud off. So, you know, the last time I wore them, I tried to clean them up. So, if you want any big boots, if you're a size 11, these are going to fit. If you're a size 12, they might just fit. But like I said, I'm a 13, 14, and they're all a bit tight for me. But I mean, who buys second-hand boots? If you're escorting the Queen, they'd look nice, wouldn't they? Oh dear. If you want any big jackets, like I said, biggest one of these is a 56. And right at the back, can you see them two? That's them bike jackets, same as that. Or Keto one. One brand new, one worn. So that's all my kit. This will be part 2. Bye for now.